Hey girls, could you pass me my phone? Thanks.
Come play with us, Lucas.
Sorry, I can't. I gotta check the smoke detectors. It's almost out of batteries. I gotta go get some batteries from downstairs for the smoke alarms, okay? Don't touch the matches.
Okay. Let's play with matches. Okay. Ooh, fire. Whoopsies. The floor is on fire! Beep, 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 beep. Girls.
911, are you there?
Yep.
We actually, my girls dropped a, match on the floor and now the house is on fire. Can you get here quick? We're in Bedford, San Diego Academy, okay?
Right there.
Make sure to set your smoke alarm. Make sure to set your smoke alarms, or you'll be in big trouble, like these girls.